5 of the most popular pet bird species. Budgerigar, budgie or parakeet. Budgies are known for their small size, vibrant colors, and playful personalities. They are excellent companions and are relatively easy to care for, making them a popular choice for bird enthusiasts. Cockatiels are cherished for their charming crests, friendly nature, and ability to mimic sounds. They are often considered great pets for those new to bird ownership due to their gentle temperament. African gray parrot. African greys are renowned for their exceptional intelligence and ability to mimic human speech. While they require dedicated care and attention, their engaging personalities make them highly sought after among experienced bird owners. Budgerigar, cockatoo. Cockatoos are known for their affectionate nature and distinctive crests. While they can be more demanding in terms of care and attention, their playful and social behaviors make them beloved companions for those willing to invest time in their care. Lovebirds are named for their strong pair bonds and affectionate behaviors. They are social birds that thrive on interaction, making them enjoyable pets for those who can provide companionship.